Baby showed up this morning. Only got a couple more days left. Poured him some food out there. This little one right there, she's pregnant. Or she just had her babies, I can't really tell. I think she might have just had them. But this one, he's pitiful. He's absolutely pitiful. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oops. So sad. I hate seeing animals starving. There's him. And there's her. She's so pretty. And he's really a handsome kitty. He could just get cleaned up and taken care of. Those are my baby friends.